everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to view the client outstanding under the job in the Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Here, we have to select the required job. After clicking that, the job page will be displayed on the screen. Now, we have to click the Show Outstanding button. On the Show Client Outstanding page, we can view the outstanding details of the clients. This is how to view the client outstanding under the job in the Fresa application. Thanks for watching.